right, that's enough, George.
No, just a little bit more.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but we gotta get going. We're already as late as it is.
But can you handle it? You're 62 and only a simple farmer from Illinois. This harsh weather to kill you.
Don't worry about me, darling. I'm the leader of this party, and they're all counting on me to lead them California. I can't let them down. Now let's get going before we freeze to death. Hey, this is a great shortcut over the Wasatch Mountains into Utah. I bet it'd be a great way to get to California.
Whatever you say, George. We have 87 pioneers of this now. Are you sure it won't be too difficult for the cold?
87, huh? Yeah, it'll be just fine.
Hey, I've seen this place before. We're going in a circle, George.
No, it's okay. Let's just keep going and see where it comes out at.
You best not get us lost, George.
Well, we are pretty far out. Maybe we should just backtrack and take another route.
Well, come on then, George. We can't afford resting like this. The frost is setting in and we ain't even close yet.
Hurry, y'all. Let's turn around.
What's this, honey?
I think we've come to a desert. I think it leads to the Great Salt Lakes.
Well, we can't travel across it. These people are tired and hungry. They can't take anymore.
Well, they'll just have to leave some of their oxen and wagons behind. We can't stop now. We have to keep going. I can see Sacramento Valley. All we have to do is cross this last mountain barrier. But this damn snow! We've been here for 14 days!
Do you think we'll die here, George? Do you think we'll ever make it to California?
Of course we will, baby. Don't lose hope. I've sent 17 strong men to cross the last mountain. Don't worry.
Babies, I love y'all so much. But y'all will always be my daughters.
Please don't go.
Daddy.
But y'all have to eat. So y'all can go on when I'm gone. You have to eat me. It's okay. Look after each other. And when I'm gone, don't let me go to waste. Daddy. Miss Murphy said here yesterday that she would commence on Milt and eat him. George.
We did make it to California.